Now, the controversy surrounding NEET and the investigation that has been taking place as far as the central agency, the CBI, which is conducting its investigation in different states across the country, the principal of the Jharkhand school, we are getting to know, has now been placed under arrest. As far as the school is concerned, and the principal who were allegedly involved, not just the principal but the vice principal too, has been arrested, and they were suspected of paper leak. That we are looking at the action that has now been initiated with more arrests that have now been taking place. The update coming in from a school in Jharkhand where these arrests that have now taken place. This is the link that has now been drawn on part of the NEET examination, the paper leak, alleged paper leak investigation that has been taking place. More arrests that have been taking place, and this is from Jharkhand's Hazaribagh. As far as these arrests that have taken place, multiple arrests are also reported in Gujarat and also in the state of Bihar. We have Bhavtosh with us. Bhavtosh, the update coming in from Jharkhand now over the latest arrest, please.
CBI arrested two more persons in this case. Yesterday, Ehsanul Haq and Imtiaz Ali were arrested. They are from Oasis School. Now, what CBI said is that their statements were found full of contradictions and loopholes, and that's the reason why they have been arrested. Now, CBI's investigation as well as the Bihar police investigation revealed that the exam paper leak, the major exam paper leak that happened from the Oasis School. Ehsanul Haq claimed that when the digital box containing the question paper reached the school, they could not open the boxes. Now, the boxes had two locks. One was the manual lock, another was the digital lock. And he apparently called up the NTA officials, and he claimed that the digital lock could not open. And there was, in fact, just 45 minutes left before the exam papers. He further claimed that someone in NTA told him that they should, in fact, open the digital box with a gas cutter. Now, his explanation did not match with what the NTA official told CBI. They said no such thing happened. Okay. And subsequently, Ehsanul Haq as well as Imtiaz Alam were arrested yesterday evening, and they will be produced in the court later in the day today.